Hey, so my name is Corene, and I have just completed the 2-day workshop for Reiki 1. So I actually just Googled. I knew I wanted to do a Reiki class. I didn't know who with. I wasn't involved or associated with anyone who had done a Reiki class. And so I just Googled and found Michelle's workshop online on Facebook, and you need to trust your instincts. You just need to trust and to know that some things are just, you're meant to be there. And this is what I found on the course, was I just needed to be here. And I have learned so much, and I will continue to learn so much and grow in this new journey that I am on. And I'm so thankful that I actually did do it with Michelle, because now me and the other girls that I've studied with, we're planning on doing another course together. So it's not just a workshop for yourself, you are actually growing with the people next to you as well. So for anyone who's looking for the journey to do a Reiki 1 class, definitely Michelle's class.